Switches are equally important to match your interior. Adds richness to your space, aesthetics, appeal and ambiance. 27 shades of colors, customized photo frames, symbols and icons can be printed. With KNX switch, control entire home with palm-sized display switch. Hence forget bulky switch box. How often you replace your phone case? Similarly, replace only the glass or metal fascia whenever you change the wallpaper or interior. Multi-pin socket. Switches with inbuilt thermostat. Metal switches are beyond your imaginations. Visit our experience center at Pumamale, Chennai to know more.